Hey guys, it's Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. Today on the channel we are going to do a another late video guys, because it has been a crazy weekend and well, life happens. So anyway, I am going to share with you guys my seeds that I got, and I know I've shown a seed or two here or there before, but these are like some of the bigger main seeds that like we just got. So today we had to go and get another thing of soil, and I'm very excited to get more stuff in the ground. So anyway, first off, like I got all of these seeds from Home Depot, and I got some other plants that you saw in my garden video. So that is the broccoli and the onion, and gosh, what else did we get? We got the tomatoes and watermelon. So those are all in my garden upcycle DIY video. Go ahead and just click up here somewhere to find that video, and I will go ahead and link it. But these seeds, we are getting started now. I'm missing a seed, but anyway, we're getting these seeds started now. So now that we have some soil, I'm going to go ahead and get some going. But anyway, the bush beans I don't have right here. I have absolutely no clue where they actually went. Hopefully they didn't get lost in the house, so I have to go and look for them. First off, in my hand here, this is the sugar snap pea. And I'm very excited to do this. This one says that anywhere between January and March, and then September. So we still have some time to do these since we are barely in March. So if you guys can hear the dogs walking around, you guys know, doggos. And then Sissy's right here, just sitting with me. But she doesn't want to be on my lap. So if you guys are wondering why I'm not holding her, she doesn't want to be in my lap. She just kind of wants to be right here. So anyway. This is the sweet corn hybrid. So we wanted to do a nice corn because we love corn, especially during the summertime. And then this one's also another March through August crop. So I'm really hoping we can get some nice corn out of there. It'll be very, very good to have home grown corn, because that'll be a first for me at least. But I'm super excited about it. So here we have calendula, and I've heard that this one a lot of people plant once and then you don't need to plant it again. So very excited about that. And this one we are going to put in our front yard to be like a nice little wildflower moment. So that'll be amazing. And then let me do this other flower right on the tail end of that. We've got these German chamomile. Also wonderful look, wildflower looking, and then the chamomile and the calendula, they are also, you know, medicinal. So when my oldest was a baby, I was going to buy some calendula diaper rash cream from Etsy. So anyway, those are great medicinal herbs. And then we have rosemary, of course, a wonderful cooking herb, lemon balm, also cooking herb, peppermint, cooking and teas. Well, actually these three that are these kind of glossy ones, they all came in a tea pack. So we got them all together and they were in a pack and for tea. So anyway, those are great. We actually got a nice little planter from the dollar store. Let me see if I can go and grab it and show you guys for the end of this video. And then we've got my loofah seeds. I'm so excited about loofah seeds because I've been talking about wanting to do loofah seeds for a while now, and I heard they grow really great in Arizona, so I'm very excited to give this one a try. Let me go and grab the couple planters that we just got so I can show you guys, because we're going to put the teas in these planters, and they say that they're great for planters. So anyway. Okay guys, Sissy has joined me. Her head is right here. She absolutely just likes to be held and everything. She's a very old kitty cat, so she likes the attention and like being held. So I'm just gonna hold her and do this last little part of the video. So we got this twine this morning from the dollar store to try to do like a homemade trellis in the back, because a lot of our stuff is going to be needing a trellis. So definitely I saw some things on Pinterest that we're going to go ahead and try out, and that'll be in the next garden update video. Whatever we do end up doing with the trellises and however we do them, they'll be in the quarter 2 garden update video. So quarter 2 is, I think, closer towards the end of summer, since we just had a garden video come out and I already mentioned it. So but anyway, we got this nice little one from the Dollar Tree. I'm very excited that we were able to find a couple of the planters. They did not have the Tower Garden dupe at my Dollar Tree, but this will work just fine for, like, we're gonna put probably the rosemary in here or something. So definitely I like this one. It's a nice little window box size, and this would be cute for any like playhouses. If you guys want to put like a little planter on a playhouse, this would be absolutely wonderful. Try not to hit the cat. And then we got this one, which is a hanging one with this little like jersey kind of cord in here, and then of course the what are these ones called? I don't even know what this is called. Oh, chain. That's what it's called. The silliest things that I forget lately, guys. But anyway, yeah, it's a nice little hanging planter, and you know, another good one for probably another one of like the kitchen herbs and everything. So very excited that we were able to find some of the planters, because our Dollar Trees are hit and miss. But anyway, that's basically all I got for you guys. I took a little like a little shot of my bush beans and my loofah seeds that they are starting, and they're over here in the window, so I'll go ahead and insert that now. I'm very excited about those, and I nearly dropped those the other day. I had sprayed it to give it some water, and then as I had put the lid back on it, like the entire thing just like kamikazed right out of my hand. So I'm very excited though that I was able to find, through tears, to find all of the seeds that had fallen out that were already started. And now this morning, one of the beans had pushed the lid right off of the container that they were in, or are in currently, and are going to need to be transplanted into one of the bins in the backyard. So definitely excited about that. Also, that will be in the next garden installment video. But other than that little clip, yeah. So that is all for today. A really quick video. Sorry if I'm losing my voice throughout this video. Like I said, it's been a rough weekend. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below if you guys have started a garden, or if you are planning to start a garden, or what you are most excited to see an update for in the next video. Alright guys, alright. See you later in the next video. Bye. Gonna say bye, sissy? Want to say bye? That's Sissy saying bye.